just a South African food content YouTube channel, and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Hey, to our new subscribers, I have a beat for you. Dun, 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 dun. Listen, thank you very much for gracing me with your presence. Today we are cooking meat. We are making meat platter. Okay, today we are making meat platter. Listen, you're gonna enjoy so much. And yeah, you know you love meat when you love meat. Yeah? All right, let's watch. Okay, we're gonna add our different types of sauces. That is our chili. You remember we made it here online? Yes. Another chili, yes, those are our 2 garlic chilies. Okay, the other one we made it. You can just check it in one of the videos here, and the other one we bought it. Okay, and listen, whatever that you have in our house, you see here I was adding what is this? Oh my god. Oh, it was sauce. I think I can't remember, guys. I can't remember, but it's just different types of sauces. I added water, and this one it's a barbecue sauce. No, Tabascan. No, it can't be Tabascan. Hey, I forgot. My god, I forgot. But then this thing, it looks Vura something, and this one was what is the sauce? Any type of sauces that you have in your house, because we don't like the same sauces. I even added salad dressing. My sister, salad. Yes, I said it. Salad dressing, because why? That's what I have in my house. That is exactly what I have in my house. Okay? Didn't we say we cook what we have in our house? Oh, thou shalt not judge, you are not going to beg. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, mix everything together. You see, it's coming all right. I mean, I said it for me that cooking is creativity. You better be creative. Try all different types of things. Okay? I remember, what did I say? Even if you don't have an air fryer, use your pan. In this house, we don't have air fryer, okay? And if you want to bless us, make the Lord touch you. Throw in your sauces in the pan. No heat. After the oven, of course. They're coming from the oven. Yes, let them boil, baby. Of course. Who are you? You are a delicious gay subscriber. Of course you're gonna cook nice. I beg you. All right. Then just turn them over so that all this sauce covers each and every piece of your meat. Okay, your chicken actually. Yeah, turn them over nice. Be patient. Be kind. Be gentle. Okay, my brother, please. If you're not gentle, I don't know where you hey. You will not have a... Hey! What we have in our houses. Let's pack it. Let's pack our meat platter. more of your corn and your red meat, a little bit of chakalaka there, and we have our nice it's actually, this is a cheese board, but today I wanted to make a meat platter on a cheese board. Please don't judge me, say, oh, it's a cheese board. Yes, I see it. We use what we have in our houses. This is not a there's wors, there's corn. I mean, you'll be full for the whole day. So there goes our meat platter or meat board. Okay, and thank you for so much for watching, famies. Stay blessed. I love you. Keep shining, keep multiplying until we meet again. Bye.